Hello guys, I just want to use this opportunity to explain to some of you actually that may want to buy the booster times 2, that costs 0.5 tone on TapSwap, and then you don't know how to buy tone. Join me as I show you how to buy tone from Bybit, especially if you are in Nigeria. Bybit still allow P2P, that is peer-to-peer trading using Naira. So already I'm on my Bybit account. In case you don't have Bybit, please let me know so that I can send you the link and guide you on how to register safely. Right now I am on the Bybit page. What you need to do to get to the P2P section, you need to click on more. Click on more like this. You click on more. That is, you must have registered before and set up your account, even have done KYC. Now on this more, you need to scroll down here, look at all these icon, especially you see P2P trading. P2P trading, so just click P2P trading and you're waiting for it to load. And now on the page you will see actually set to Naira, especially if you are in Nigeria. And then you look at all this is buy. This is where you buy from. But to make it very simple for you, you need to click on this filter. Sorry, let me go back. You need to click on this filter here. Click it like this, and it will give you two drop down. Sorry, in the network. Okay, so you check this so that you can only see verified advertisers and eligible ads. Then you click confirm. Now all what Bybit will give you are those that are verified sellers on their page. And now, depending on the amount you want to buy, you can make it quicker. Depending on the amount you want to buy, you press amount here, press this amount, then enter the range of figure you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy that of 10,000 naira, you just enter 10,000 naira. And when you confirm, this will bring out the list of people that are selling in the range of what 10,000 naira that you can buy. Now if you want to buy, look at this one, it's selling from 9,000 to what 291,000 naira. Now you see bank transfer, make sure you pick the one that is bank transfer, that there is bank transfer, so you'll be able to transfer. And then look at this percentage here. The percentage here show the percentage with which this person can release your crypto assets immediately if you pay him and he confirm payment. So you look at them, like this first guy, Meitukuya, is 99%, you have 95%, 99%. So you can buy from any of these guys. The more you go down, the higher the price. So for example, this one is selling 1,490 per dollar. So you can just click buy. Once you click buy, all you need to do is to enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say 10,000 naira. It must be up to the range. Then click on this 10,000 naira will only give you 6.7115 USDT. So remember, you cannot use this one to buy tone. One tone is almost 7 point something dollar. So I'm just doing this so that you understand. And then if you click buy, sorry, your country or region currently does not support P2P transaction. If you have any question, oh sorry, let me see whether my VPN is on. Oh sorry, I need to disconnect this VPN so that the system will know that I am in Nigeria. Okay, so let me go again. Now I am in Nigeria. Of course, don't mind the use of VPN. So let me go again. If you click buy, and then you just enter the amount and then click buy. The amount you buy is now this is the page. Look at the timer, 14 minutes left for you to make this payment. So this contact seller is where you can chat, ask the person whether it's online so you can pay. Now look at the price, the amount you want to buy, price per one, and the total quantity you'll be given, 6.7115 USDT. It is the USDT that you use to buy tone still on this platform. And then you look at the seller's nickname, Meitokua, verify name. is Muhammad Abubakar. So you also read the seller's condition. So once you are ready to pay, you click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, you are going to see the person Muhammad Saminu, the account number. You just click on this thing here, you copy the account number. The bank name is Money Point. You head up to your bank. Don't click payment completed until you pay. So when you pay, then you can come back here and click payment completed. Then you just wait. The person will send you, the person will confirm and send you your USDT. And you must use your bank name that match the name you used to open your Bybit account. For example, look at me, Michael Ahmed. So I must use my bank account that the name is this. If not, you will be barred from using this service, or barred even from Bybit. So that is how you go. Now I'm not buying, so I cannot click I have paid or whatever. I have to go back because I am actually not buying this, even though I have opened it. Now when you buy, let me show you something. When you buy, it will release the crypto. The crypto will move to your fund wallet. You need to transfer it to your spot wallet. It's not a difficult thing to do. Come to your assets, click on assets, and then you will see spot wallet. You will see funding. So the money will enter your funding wallet. So what you need to do is to click on transfer here. Click on transfer like this, and then it will open. So you will see from funding to spot account. Then choose the coin. It's not BTC, so it's USDT. So you choose USDT. Then USDT in your funding, you can now click maximum like this. I don't have anything there. Once you click maximum, then you click confirm. It will appear in your spot wallet. Then you can use it to buy a tone that you want to buy. You can buy the tone directly by coming to trade and search for tone like this. You search for tone, you will see it with USDT pair. You search for tone, then you click this. Currently it's 7.3. So you can click on market price, then you put your USDT and then buy it. Or you can go to convert like this. Click at the top there, you see convert. Then for example, my own is set to tone already. If not, you will choose what you want to convert USDT to. Then enter the maximum USDT if you want to use all. Then you will see the quote, and then you click quote, click confirm. It will go to your spot wallet. After that, in your spot wallet, you can now transfer. Come back to your assets, click withdraw. You can now withdraw your tone to your Telegram or whichever wallet you use to connect to TapSwap, so you can buy. You have to withdraw the tone. I don't have it here. That's why you did not see it. You have to withdraw on chain, through on chain network. So you can copy your tone space receiving address from your Telegram page, and then come and paste here under withdraw. For example, from your Telegram space, that is the Telegram space that you connected to your TapSwap. Remember, if you click these three dots here on Telegram space, you see wallet. Click on wallet, and then once the wallet load, you can okay, now if you look at this like this, now you can click on more assets. You see Notcoin, you see tone, and then you can click on the tone, or you can go directly to click on R crypto, whichever one you want to. You can then click on receive and then continue. You get verified. They also want you to get verified, and then you can transfer your tone. Now my other Telegram wallet, which I have done all that, I have 2 Telegram. You can create 2 Telegram accounts on your Telegram page. For this, I have done some verification. So opening the wallet, I can show you. You can easily copy your receiving address. Look at the tone space better showing here. So copy the tone space wallet, do some verification. You see this, click on it, then click on deposit. That means you want to send something here. Click on deposit like this, Then look at this address, click on copy address. It is copied. Then go to the exchange where you have your tone, for example Bybit, and then you click on withdraw. You will see the cryptocurrency, the tone you bought. Then for example, it's not USDT, but I'm just telling you, once you click on it, you paste the address here on address book, then select the network. Under network, select tone. You see, select tone network, and then this is the optional, it's not necessary. Then put the amount of what tone you want to send, and then in the end you just confirm, enter your security listing, and then you will send it, and then you can go back to your tap swap and buy the 0.5 that you wish to buy. So, and that will be all for now. In case you have any question, you can send me direct message or use the comment section. Thank you very much for your time. That will be all for today.